You know, sometimes we can learn the most by going back in time.
Yeah, if you lived in Pittsburgh in January 1978, you remember the Great Blizzard, right? And the Big Dig. Tonight, lessons learned 32 years later.
The winter tonight. The storm has dumped 11 inches on the district. Meteorologist Joe DiNardo has this update.
Well, Paul,
January 1978. Joe DiNardo was the city's iconic weatherman. Richard Caligiuri was mayor.
It looks like snow beginning, although it'll be very light through the nighttime hours. I doubt whether we have more than an inch and a half tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock.
And Pittsburgh got crushed by back-to-back snowstorms, dumping 27 inches.
There has been sand, perhaps some salt, and even some cinders thrown upon this road, but for the most part, it certainly doesn't look like a snowplow has been here.
You might not remember Mike Schneider, but that certainly sounds familiar. 32 years later, and still the same beefs. Not enough plows, too much snow, and a city caught buried in the middle.
We're bringing in outside contractors along with our own crews, and we want to try to get rid of the snow and plow it and take care of it as quickly as we can and get the city back to normal as quickly as possible.
Pittsburgh had about the same number of plows back then, same number of city workers tending to them, same complaints, even the same potholes. But one thing is different: the skyline.
The mayor said that Pittsburghers rose to the occasion by taking the storm in their stride, and it looks as if we're going to have to be pretty patient, at least for the next couple of days, because there's a lot of cleaning up left to do.
If we've done anything right, it's bide our time until the city and those plows get the job done.